We are at booth of JTPV, and at the beginning, at the entrance of their booth, they have an interesting IBC module. So, can you tell me what is the most important product you are launching here?
Okay, so actually this is not IBC, this is TBC. Yeah, this is the newest production. And you can see in the surface of the front side, it doesn't have bus bar and finger. Yeah, this is the most difference.
Right.
And you just need to make the ribbon on the rear side. And if you can see, it is different from the TOPCon or PERC.
Right.
Yeah, it's a very new, totally new product.
And what is the efficiency of this product?
Because we have a speech tomorrow afternoon, and it will be promoted in efficiency. But I can tell you it will maybe improve about 0.5 to 1%.
Absolute efficiency?
Yeah.
Higher than TOPCon?
Yeah, higher than TOPCon. Yeah.
And is it a glass back sheet?
To commercial confidential, we make a single glass, but of course it can be made into double glass, right?
Yeah. Okay. So, what are the products you have that we can already know? Like, this is your new model,
yeah,
but
new.
In your regular stream, the mainstream products, what are the products you have right now?
Yeah, we have different kinds of size of TOPCon sales. You can see here. Yeah.
What is the top module? Really, the top of your TOPCon?
So for now it's 182 and 183.75. But I think maybe next year to the 210 will be the most popular. 210 and R. Yeah.
Okay, 210R.
Yeah. Will be the most popular production. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And so, among the products which you are exhibiting here, what is the module which has the highest efficiency?
Highest efficiency? Yeah, this one. 210. Yeah.
Okay.
The output will be 720 watt. Yeah.
And 23.2% efficiency.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.